Alrighty, welcome back. Today is Free Ford Friday. Really Thursday, but Friday just sounded better. We're on the way to go get the keys to the first Ford. There's 2 Rangers and 1 F-150. They all have issues, and one is repairable and usable though, hopefully. So let's go ahead and get this key. This one's farthest away. So we'll go get that first and then come back for the 2 that are local. And I'll explain the issues with each one as we go. Do you guys see a key? Yeah, there it is. Good job. Hey, what are you doing jumping out of the truck, mister? Come on, whoa, look at that black snake. Look at that. Get out of here, snake. Come on, get up in them bushes. That was weird. Flip, how did you not see that? Come on. What's up, Badger?
What's up, Bobcat?
It's nice of you to show up after I load the rooftop unit by myself.
Rooftop unit?
Yeah.
What rooftop? Where you
I don't need you though. The lift gate's always got my back.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
I just on the way here.
With my doctor.
Badger, I'm not worried about your issues.
I know it. You see what I'm saying? You ain't worried with me. I'm fucked up.
Yeah, this is $100 sitting on a truck here, and I got to hear about your doctor.
Yeah. You know, I got to go this month, Jim.
Yeah.
Prostate, man. Yeah,
Come
I
on.
hope I ain't got no fucking cancer, man.
Yeah, you're good.
I hope 5.7. Jesse said his was 4 something, but he said I'm good. But I was talking to T, right? And
It's stuck on that grate.
Hold
on, let the lift gate down. So.
T,
Go ahead. Keep going. Just go all the way down. I'll stand on it.
We'll pull it off like that.
Hopefully we'll be able to tip it up and then flip it over.
Right. Where'd you get this ready?
From the HVAC place. They just unloaded it.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Oh, hello, that was a nice deal.
Nice one there, huh?
Yeah.
See that plan of action, how it worked out?
See how I'm saying, that bitch just came right over, flipped, and did everything it's supposed to have done.
You know why it worked out that way?
What?
Because we did it the white way.
Oh, now, come on. The white way. Oh, now this white way.
Hey, who took the red toolbox?
I didn't even know it was gone. I don't know.
Oh.
See, that's what I'm saying, man. Motherfuckers coming down here, man.
All right, now
I ain't get it, did he?
Probably. We're on the way to go get the truck now. I had to stop and get that since it was there. Nice little deal.
You said this was down at the AC place.
Yeah.
They put that out there this morning because I went through there yesterday.
Yeah, they were there.
Okay.
These we got 1, 2, 3 units, but if you can see, probably not. They're all aluminum, not aluminum and copper, not ACRs. Yeah, they're all aluminum. But
you can
anyway.
See
yeah, because they're fuzzy.
They're fuzzy, yeah.
All right, Badger, let's go get these trucks. We got 3 to get.
3 trucks.
Yep. Alrighty, here it is. Old Danger Ranger broke down on the side of the road. Okay, if you see any scrap, bring it out. A little V6 5-speed. I think he broke the U-joint. I seen the drive shaft hanging. Yeah, broke the U-joint. That's okay, we'll tie that up real quick. I plan on, he said if I come pick it up, I can have it. I plan on fixing the drive shaft, get it inspected, and use it as a little runaround truck to save some fuel. V6 5-speed, if I didn't say. Not a bad little truck. Guess I got the key right here. I can start it. If it was 4-wheel drive, we could put it in 4-wheel drive and drive it right on the trailer. Look at that. Little exhaust leak. No check engine lights. 194,000 miles. Not too shabby.
Busted down in Lufkin, just across that Louisiana line. My baby's waking up in Morgan City, and I'm stuck in these East Texas pines. Had a cup of coffee.
Alrighty, there it is. Loaded up, strapped down, ready to hit the road. fix a U-joint. See if we can make it a nice little scrap pickup truck without having to drive the old diesel monster around. Alrighty, here's number 2. Mid-90s F-150, might be a little newer, 2000 or something. Bad motor. Nice backhoe buckets in here. Fancy. Badger, what are you doing?
Looking for the other 2 gloves.
Oh.
Oh, here's one.
Not too shabby on the inside.
Yeah. No, it's a nice little body.
Mm-hmm.
I like finding that other glove. I like those ones.
All right, let's get this loaded up. Alrighty, there it is. Loaded up, strapped down. Second time, you guys heard that. Ready to hit the road and go get the last one. The last one runs, thankfully, so we'll just pull her on up on the trailer. Alrighty, this one will be a lot easier. No come along.
Yeah, we don't need no come along, guys.
I'm coming, hold on. I'm up. Alright, so it's got a bunch of scrap in the back, won't pass the emissions, junk. We got to give the wheels and tires back because they're like new, as you can see. Got a little bit of crap. Aluminum dirt bike frame. And I guess it broke up. I don't know. No, doesn't look, no, because it's got the tailpipe, it's a muffler.
Right, that's what I look at.
It's probably still got the cat under it.
Yeah,
But just a mix of junk. Let's see if the old meow meow's under here. Yep, right there. Meow. It's got the cat. Yeah.
I heard you say meow.
Meow. Glad we didn't park on that. All right, let's strap this down and get out of here. All right, I guess the GoPro had a heat stroke there. It froze up on me. But Badger, what'd you find in there? What is that?
This is a nigger knocker. Check this out. Look at this Louisville slugger.
It looks like a baseball bat.
It's a nigger knocker.
And
then after I bust your motherfucking head wide open, then I got the light to see your ass. See how much damage I done to you.
Hey, that looks awfully familiar in your hand. Looks like you're really familiar with using it.
Oh yes. Have done it plenty of times.
Oh shit. Anyway, here's the truck. A little beat up on this side, but like I said, it's just junk. It won't pass emissions. Exhaust rotted off. It's beat up. Check engine light on. ABS light for everybody that wants. No title with this one. I don't remember. There's something, maybe a title. I don't remember. But anyway, it does have a cat. I think I showed you that. And it's full. I can see the honeycomb in it.
You got a cat?
Yeah. Remember I said meow?
Yeah, you honked me on.
Okay. What are we gonna do now? Go to the plumbers? Pick up some tanks?
Absolutely.
Okay. Alrighty.
Absolutely.
You didn't really think I wasn't gonna do a burnout with it, did you?